Are you struggling to manage sales commissions accurately and very efficiently? Manual process can lead to error, delays, and unhappy sales reps. What if there was a way to automate commissions, calculation, track performance, and ensure timely payout? Welcome to Salesforce Spiff, the ultimate platform for managing commissions this year. In this step-by-step guide video, we will walk you through how to use Salesforce Spiff to streamline commissions management, motivate your team, and drive better results. So, by the end of this video, you will know how to set up Salesforce Spiff, design, commission, plan, track performance, and analyze outcomes all from one intuitive platform. So, let's dive in. Before we get started, let's break down what makes Salesforce Spiff stand out. According to their website, Salesforce Spiff is a modern commission management platform designed to help businesses. The first thing is that you can automate calculations, design flexible plans, track performance, generate insight. You can pause this video and you can read about this, right? As well as there is a key highlights here. So you can just go and pause this video and read it. I'm not going to waste your time. To get started here, let's talk about the pricing because this is really important. Now go and click on pricing, and here you can see there are three plans given by the Salesforce. The first one is the enterprise, the second one is the ultimate, and the third one is the Einstein one sale. And it is going to charge you per monthly, right? And you can try for free enterprise and ultimate for the you can just go and click on try for free, or you can watch demo here. So on the top right side corner, you have to just fill up all this information. If you're not if you just want to check out that whether this is good suitable for your enterprise or not, you can watch the demo. That is what it's given here. Or the best thing is that you can try for free. So click on any one of them, whichever plan suits you better. You will be taken here. Now you have to just enter your name, right? There's a no credit card required, so no worries here, right? And obviously they are not going to deduct any kind of money here. So I will just write here, right? And just go and click on next. Now it will ask your employees. So here it's 1 to 20, right? Your company name, and here country region, and click on next. Here they will ask your phone number and email, and click on I agree, and then click on submit. By the way, guys, if you're getting confused, then this is a Salesforce Spiff. No matter where you make account, automatically you will become up here, right? So you have to just go and click on get a demo on Spiff by Salesforce. If you're not able to find it, just go and search for Salesforce Spiff, and here on the generally on the second, you will be find it. Now here, as you can see here, we are redirected to the same thing as we here, right? So usually don't get confused. If you have a Salesforce ID, obviously you will able to log in into Salesforce Spiff. After this, you have to just go and click on please confirm you're human. Obviously I'm a human. Now click on confirm. You can see here there's a loading tab, so it will just take a few seconds to load. And then you will receive this message which says that your free trial is in your inbox, whichever email you have used to make the account. Then you will receive this email which says thanks for signing with Salesforce. Now verify your account. Now click on it and click on reset password. Now here it will ask you what brings you to Salesforce, right? So here you can choose any one of this option, a bit of everything, right? And click on next. Now does any of this feels like familiar changes, right? So you can choose here any one of this option which you feel right and click on next. So before we get started, let's break down, as you can see here, each and everything. Now this is the dashboard of Salesforce is here, Salesforce Spiff you can call this, right? And this is what it says here. You can tailor your interface to fit your workflow by adding widgets like commission, summaries, performance charts, or payout timeline. Some reports aren't loading, so try refreshing this page here. Okay, so I just need to refresh this up. As you can see here, it's giving a short tutorial, so let's go with this. Here you can explore your apps. So on the left side, this is a overview dashboard here. This is all this section, for example, home, contacts, account, sales, service. We will go one by one, no worries. Click on next, right? And let me just refresh this page as it says. Now this is a dashboard. Okay, so this is some kind of error, no worries. Right, now here, this is a dashboard. It says welcome. Now here, it will give all this information overview on my dashboard, on my home tab. So all the leads will show up here. I can just go and filter out all the leads here, right? I can add it, right? And as you can see here, this is my opportunities. I can view my deals to keep them moving, right? Whether those deals which are in the negotiations, all my contacts, the average handling time, how much it's take, it will show up here, right? So it will just give me a overall general information to which I can take it in a glance. On the top right side corner, you can see here there's some 30 days left for a trial. If you want to buy this, or by the end of this video, if you plan to buy this, there's a link given in the description. That's affiliate link. You can support by clicking on this link. It will help our channel, as well as you will get a discount. Right, now let's come back to the topic. This is a profile, so I can add my profile. I can hear this option, right? And there's a lot more option. For example, display density, that is a comfy. I can just go and choose here comfort, compact, right? So just if I choose here compact, I will have to refresh this page, and you will see this is some slight change on the interface, not much by the way, which you can see here recent records, right? And make it your home. I don't know why I'm getting this error again and again. Now this is a contacts. So as you can see here, by the way, you can also connect Salesforce Spiff to your CRM. So it's already connected to Salesforce because this is a product of Salesforce here, right? And then you can ERP system to pull in sales data automatically, map field to ensure data flows seamlessly into Spiff. You can define user roles and permissions and ensure team member have access to the right tool, right? The setup process is intuitive even for beginners and ensure you are ready to hit the ground running. So one of the Salesforce features which I really like, ignore this error for now, right? Which I really like, that's a standout feature, is ability to design and manage commission plan very effectively. So for example, set clear objective for each commission plan, such as increasing deal size, improving conversion rates, or driving upsells. So let's come here. So this is a contact. Now here, obviously there will be so many contacts. You can search it directly from here. You can sort it out. You can enter the account name. You can just go and click on add account. If you want to add it, you need to fill up all this information, right? For example, name, salutation, whether it's she or her, right? Sorry, he or she, right? Account name, title, report to, who is the contact owner, the phone, email, and each and every details. Once we add all these details, just go and click on save. If you have to add more than one detail, click on save and new. So automatically, once it's saved, automatically a new similar thing will open up. You can have to fill up this new information about a different person, about a different contact. So once you save, automatically the contact will show up here, as well as in the home, the contact option will show up here. Now this is an account section. So as you can see here, this is account where you can find, which you will able to see all your reports and deal tracking with your accounts, as you can see here. So for example, if I want to add accounts, I will just go and click on add account, right? And there's a, you have to again fill up this all this information. Obviously it's all the information should be correct and authentic, and make sure you can verify with the documents which you have, right? And same way you have to just go and click on save, right? So here, obviously there will be a lot of stuff here. You can just go and click on new account or open another account. So there's a no need to only add only one account. If you have some information, you can just go and click on import, and you can import the contacts or account sections here. Then you can assign labels. You can import from CSV file, that is Excel file sheet, right? And this is how you can do this. This is a sales tab. So all the sales which will show up here, the leads and everything. So it can help you at it says that it will help you to grow relationship with the leads interested in the business. So here click on new to add a lead, right? And obviously you have to just go and click on new. Then here you have to add a lead, right? Same thing, same information. You can import it from the CSV file, right? And there's a lot more option. You can add a campaign, send list email, you can change the owner, and there's some more option. For example, add two candidates and assign labels too. And this is a setting, so you can change the view how it shows. You can clone one lead into another, right? And there's a much more option. For example, select list display. So we can also use a Kanban board similar like Trello. And for example, if there's any lead, and I can make a Kanban. So for example, there's a working on lead, negotiated, deal done. So I can move a Kanban or a lead into to done when it's done, right? I hope you know this. And this is a service section. I don't know why I'm facing this error again and again. If you're facing the same error, let me know in the comment box, or I'm the only one who is facing this new kind of error. One more thing which I really like, which is manual commission calculation are prone to errors and delays. Salesforce Spiff automate this process to save time and improve accuracy. So Spiff pull performance data from integrated system and applies predefined rule to calculate payout. Ensure all calculation are auditable and compliant with internal policies. Now view detailed payout report for each rep, including breakdown of commission, bonuses, and deductions. Export payment data to payroll system or integrate directly with payment platform for seamless processing, right? Now in the services section, you can just add a service. For example, if there's any service which is going on, and if it is an open case, right? Recent reviews, so this is a filter section, we can call this. And from here in the services, we can go to the contacts, account, quick text, analytics. And analytics is pretty much popular as well as very important for each and every firm organization. Same thing, you can add a case just like how you added lead or accounts. This is a commerce tab. So this is a new feature which is introducing commerce GPT. So it will, okay, here it says power commerce everywhere with the AI. Okay, it's a world of AI data which we have right now, and the CRM, which is Salesforce. So if you're interested, let us know and we will reach out to you. Obviously, there's a 54% of revenues expected to come from digital channel. Okay, this is the data, by the way. So say, I think Salesforce is also trying to get into the commerce field, and if you're really interested, you can just go and contact them. Now this is generating canvas, right? So just go and click on it. Now it can transform your data into interactive pages. So you can just watch this video and how you can do this. And this is your account section, which will get all this information. Mine, I think it's my Salesforce is loading really late. So I have to buy this out to get my account, and it will show the subscription and everything, right? So those such details. And there you have it, a complete guide of using Salesforce Spiff to streamline commissions management, whether you are designing plan, automating payouts, or analyzing results. Salesforce Spiff has a tool to help you succeed. If this video helped you, give us thumbs up and subscribe for more often tutorials. Like this video and subscribe.